the meantime, like us on Facebook. We went live before the show, and we wanted you to weigh in on our roundtable real topic discussion. There we go. Look at Christine and Chesley being love doctors. Yes, there's us. Bonus, it's all good. All right, but we want you to be our friend. Oh, look at Nisa. What's going on there? She's getting some eye drops. Here we go. Anyway, the bottom line is it's all happening on our Facebook page. All right, so join the conversation and let us know what you want to talk about each and every day, or stay up to date with our awesome guests. There's Josh McBride doing that boomerang thing. All right, that was our show today. To find out more about any of our guests, log on to our website at atlantaandcompany.com. See you tomorrow. It's Canathon Day. Yay!